To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Under the Preferences section, select Accessibility. Then, navigate to Display. You will then see a new option called Notification Timing. If it's not visible yet, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Now tap to open it. By default, it's set to 5 seconds, but you can change it to 10 seconds, 25 seconds, or 50 seconds. Now, select the timing that best suits your preference. Finally, tap Save at the bottom to apply your settings. From now on, your notification banners will now stay on the screen for the exact duration you selected. This means your alerts will remain visible longer, making them easier to read and act on before they disappear. And that's how you can change the notification timing on the Facebook app.